What's the native speaker's way of phrasing the sentence to make it sound more authentic? The magazine teaches parents how to behave with their children. The magazine teaches parents how to behave towards their children. I'll go into more depth on this. Behave towards somebody, not with. I've been noting the way he behaves towards you and I'm not impressed. Could you give me a more natural alternative for this sentence? We were surprised by their peculiar behaviors. We were surprised by their peculiar behavior. What's the common parlance for expressing this? Such a behavior can easily cause offense. Such behavior can easily cause offense. To provide more context, let me include this. Behavior is an uncountable noun. Can you help me make this sentence sound more like something a native English speaker would say? Sometimes one has a very strange behavior. Sometimes one behaves very strangely. Sometimes one's behavior is very strange. What's the everyday language equivalent of this sentence? There are very few people having such a behavior. Very few people behave in such a way. Let me elaborate on that idea with some additional information. Instead of using have plus behavior, use behavior plus be, or use the verb behave plus adverb. His behavior is atrocious. He behaves atrociously.